Hello everyone and welcome to Vlinko's channel. In today's video, I will show you how to fix the issue where programs will not maximize from the taskbar in Windows 11. And now let's get started. If you are experiencing a problem where your programs refuse to maximize when you click on them in the Windows 11 taskbar, this video will guide you through the solution. This behavior is often linked to an issue with the taskbar itself, which is an integral part of File Explorer. To begin, open the Windows search bar and type Task Manager. Once Task Manager appears, open it. Allow it a moment to load and display all running processes. Locate the Windows Explorer process in the list. Right-click on Windows Explorer and select the Restart option. Another effective solution involves running a System File Checker scan. Again, use the Windows search bar to find Command Prompt. Right-click on Command Prompt and select Run as Administrator to open it with elevated privileges. In the Command Prompt window, type the command sfc/Scannow and press Enter. This command will initiate a scan of your system files and attempt to repair any corrupted ones. The final and simplest solution is to restart your computer. Right-click on the Start button, then select the Shutdown or Sign Out option, and finally choose Restart. Hope this was helpful. Don't forget to like and subscribe if you enjoyed. As always, thanks for watching and I will see you in the next video.